Do you want to build a workout plan that actually fits your life, not someone else's? I'm Stuart Ridout, and today I'll show you how. I've been rebuilding my fitness recently, and like a lot of people, I wanted something that works around real life. Time, family, work, and energy. The problem is that most workout plans online are too generic or too intense. So I built an AI prompt that acts like a personal trainer and creates a program that's completely tailored to you. If you've ever typed best workout plan into Google, you'll know what happens. Endless lists, random exercises, and no clue if any of it's right for you. AI can fix that, but only if you give it enough context. When you say, make me a workout plan, it doesn't know your fitness level, your time limits, or whether you've got a dodgy knee. That's why I designed a template prompt that makes you fill all of those details in first before it generates the plan. Here's how it works. You copy and paste the ultimate workout routine generator prompt into Copilot, ChatGPT, or whatever AI you like using. Then you fill in your details: age, gender, body type, fitness level, activity level, how many days you can train, what equipment you have, your main goals, and even your motivation style. The more detail you give it, the better it gets. That context is everything. Then once you hit enter, the AI acts like a personal trainer and builds a workout schedule showing rest and workout days, daily sessions with sets, reps, and warm-ups, a progression plan over the next 4 to 8 weeks, and recovery and nutrition advice. It formats it all neatly so you can screenshot it, print it, or keep it on your phone. This is where most people go wrong with AI. If you give it one line, you'll get something vague. If you give it context, your goals, limits, and preferences, it becomes brilliant. Think of it like a good coach. The more it knows about you, the better it can help. And that's why this prompt is written as a fill-in-the-blanks template. It trains you to ask AI the right way. And when it gives you your plan, you can tweak it further by asking things like, can you adapt this for a hotel gym? Can you swap lunges? They hurt my knees. Can you make me a printable tracker? And that's when AI becomes genuinely useful, not just clever. If you'd like the full prompt, then just comment prompt below and follow me, and I'll send it to you. I shared it this week in my free email, Smart Living Notes. It's my weekly newsletter full of ideas for using tech to make life a bit calmer and a bit more effective, from fitness to family. You can sign up at stuartridout.com. You'll also find my ebook, The Behaviour Blueprint, and details of my upcoming digital parenting course. If this helped, hit like, subscribe, and share it with someone who wants to get fitter using AI. I'm Stuart Ridout, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.